Okay, so now that I've drilled this third hole using the correct spacing and the pilot drill bit and the other real drill bit, I'm going to start installing this bracket using these 3 bolts. So first I place it in place, and I put at least one of the bolts aligned with the hole. I start to use this approach where I'm not tightening one bolt completely. I'm doing a little of all 3 of the bolts at a time. So basically what I'll do is start with one of the bolts. I think I'll start with the corner one first, like this. And basically I have to put it in place. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time, but I can sort of just hand push it a little bit to make sure it fits. And you see how it rotates like this. This is just hand tightening it a bit. And then I use the other 2 bolts one at a time. I guess I'll use this corner bolt now to hand tighten it. Yeah, so far so good. And then the third bolt, these are these number 8 bolts that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to use this hand tightening or ratcheting wrench with the number 7. That's a number 7. They provided one number 7 this adapter holder thing, socket. I think it's a number 7. Yeah, it's a number 7, but I'm using my own number 7 socket with this wrench. So I put in the third one also in place. Yeah, so now it's all just hand put in place, and I'm gonna hand tighten it using this ratcheting wrench, which is number 7. So initially it's going to rotate back, so you'll have to, there you go. Once it has a little bit of tension, then you can use the ratcheting action, but right now it doesn't have any tension, so it's not going to hold easy. Yeah, that's definitely enough tension for it to hold. You can hand tighten it first a bit to give you a little bit of initial tension. That's it. I think there's enough tension now, and then you can use a ratcheting action. Actually, the ratcheting action doesn't work either. I think there's got to be way more tension. Yeah, but it's working so far. Yeah, there we go. Ratcheting action works now once there's enough tension. The thing to keep in mind is that I used the countersink stainless steel screw behind this to secure this bracket. If it's countersunk, then it doesn't pop out and this bracket can fit over the countersink screw. So this is going well. And tighten the other ones also. This one is not ratcheting yet, so I have to manually remove. Yeah, there we go. Now it starts to ratchet. I think when I get the two extreme ends installed, then the middle one would be much easier. It's usually the extremes that have to be adjusted, the extreme side screws, but so far so good. It's going in well. I can feel there's enough tension holding the bracket to this adapter thing. Okay, and I think I'll just continue this and it should be fully installed, but that's basically how I would finish it, and it seems very nice and secure, so that looks good. And then just want to show you the setup that I have for these eufyCam. It's a new model of the eufyCam. Well, I don't know if it's new, but it's a solar two camera version. One of them can zoom in, so basically that's where I'm installing it, in the front of the house. It's basically using this wooden bracket, and I've painted it using this Glidden fence and barn red paint that I got from Walmart. I got a gallon for $22, so it matches really well, and basically that's what it looks like. That's gonna have my front camera, and it's an updated model from the eufyCam E series camera. This is the S340 series. So basically it's a better camera, and it's powered by solar, by a solar panel. I believe it just needs 2 hours of sunlight to get enough power, but basically that's it.